have a mindfulness challenge. All you need is a cup and something to balance on top of the cup. So the idea is to keep the ball on the cup. The challenge is you're going to be walking while doing it. Big breath in, big breath out, and then walk slowly, carefully, mindfully. Once your child is feeling good about that version, feel free to make it harder. Maybe you have to step over the block. So walking mindfully, taking a big step over the block. Maybe the challenge is to walk around the block, backwards, and just ignore the block. It's just a fun mindfulness challenge. Is also great for calming down because you basically have to be taking breaths in and out. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.